In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a iStory video from Meta AI. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI and press enter. From the results, open the official Meta AI page so you're in the chat interface and ready to prompt the assistant. Before you type anything, take a moment to plan your story. A little structure up front will make your video much stronger. Choose a genre that sets the tone. Horror, fantasy, love, or comedy all work great. Think about your characters, like a hero to move the plot forward, a villain to create tension, and, if you like, a narrator to guide the audience. Pick a setting that supports the mood, whether that's a forest, a bustling city, or a futuristic world. Finally, outline a simple arc, a beginning to establish the scene, a conflict to raise the stakes, and an ending that resolves the tension. Keeping this clear in your mind will help the AI produce focused, cinematic results. Now, craft a clean prompt for the story. You can use this as a model. Create a 1-minute dramatic story about a lonely traveler who discovers a magical book in an abandoned train station. Paste or type that into Meta AI, then click Send. Give it a moment to load the response. Generation time can vary based on your internet speed and overall traffic. Once the story appears, read it through. If something feels off, maybe the tone or pacing, quickly adjust your request with a short follow-up, like asking for more suspense or a warmer ending. When you're happy with the text, it's time to turn it into a video. In the chat, type, "Turn this into video," and click Send. You're instructing Meta AI to use the story just wrote as the basis for visuals, pacing, and any transitions. If you want a specific feel, you can keep your instruction concise by mentioning preferences like landscape or portrait orientation, or a target length such as 1 minute. But keep it simple and direct so the system stays focused. Now, wait while Meta AI generates your video. Keep the tab open and be patient. Rendering can take a little time. When it's ready, you'll see a playable result. Watch it through to make sure the visuals align with the story beats and that the mood matches your chosen genre. If something doesn't fit, you can nudge the AI with a brief clarification and resend. That's it. From a quick search to a solid story plan to an AI-generated story video. Enjoy creating and have fun refining your prompts for even better results.